Hello folks, welcome back to another 1-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can use headings and paragraphs in HTML in less than a minute. So we already have our simple HTML document. As you can see, we already have heading. As we mentioned earlier, that headings range from H1 to H6. So H1 being the biggest. So now let's create the other headings and see the differences. So I'm just going to copy the same and then paste it in H2. I do the same for H3, same for H4, same for H5, and same for H6. So now we have all these different headings, and we mentioned that they're all different sizes. So we're just going to view this, and you can see the difference and how the sizes vary from H1 down to H6. And you're free to modify this depending on what type of documents you're working with and what type of headings you really want. Secondly, let's look at the paragraph. So for paragraph, we simply use the P tag and then put in our paragraph there. Thank you for viewing my page. And when we go back and refresh this, you can see that thank you for viewing my page is right here as a paragraph. You're pretty much free to modify this text to what you want and the content, and then make sure that you save. As you can see, I have my auto save activated. So you save this and view this in your browser. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.